I would recommend, seriously from my heart, to come work at Bosch because of the people. I think it's a good group. I think they're very, very loyal to the brand. People believe strongly in the products.
I wanted to work at Bosch because they had a lot of experience here. There were a lot of guys when I started here have been here 20 or 40 years. It was a great opportunity for me to learn from them. Good benefits too.
There's trainings, there's lessons you can enjoy to better yourself and be able to get new opportunities.
I finished my degree using the Bosch's tuition program, and I finished my bachelor's degree, and soon after that I was promoted.
The Bosch culture is very tight. There's a lot of long-term employees. I'm going to be 40 years. I'm not by far at the top. There's 50 years plus. Everything is different in different areas. You get some light assembly, putting things in a bag and a label and maybe putting a few things together. You've got heavy assembly where you're making lifts. Robinair, we make AC recovery units. So there's a variety.
You get to do a lot of different things. It's not always just production work where I'm doing the same thing for weeks or months, or it's not a job shop where I'm running a different part, one part at a time over and over again. It's kind of a nice mixture between those two.
There's all type of personalities here. You get the goofy ones, you get the serious ones. We all get along. It's a good team that we have here. Easy to ask for help. HR always has their door open. They're good people. It's a family-oriented business. They're always there for you.
We're looking for the individual that's looking to grow themselves. We have unlimited opportunities here. It's basically they can set their own limit.
Bosch does give opportunities to grow and travel to other facilities they have.
I know a guy who started as a janitor and now he's a supervisor.
I started at Bosch as a temp. I worked in the receiving line and worked my way up as a logistics clerk.
We've got a number of very long-term employees here that started as a production assembler and now they work their way into management. It takes time, but the opportunity is unlimited.
Bosch is here to help you. You can take your career where you want to take your career. It's up to you. You drive it.
I recommend somebody coming working at Bosch for the community. The ability to be able to grow as a person and in your professional career, it's just great.